Assalamu alaikum. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Today is the second episode of the series Learn English with Malaika. Today we are going to learn basic rules of learning English step by step. So let's start. Learning English as a beginner can be challenging, but also very, very fun and rewarding. There are many ways to start learning English, but here are some basic rules to start learning English quickly. So let's start. Start with the basics like learn the alphabets, numbers, colors, shapes, and common greetings. You can use flashcards and songs, games, and videos to help you memorize them. For example, you can sing the ABC song or play bingo with numbers and colors. Learn simple words and phrases. Focus on words and phrases that are useful for everyday situations, such as introducing yourself, asking for directions, or for ordering foods, or talking about your hobbies. You can use pictures, gestures, translations to help you understand them. For example, you can point to an apple and say, "That's an apple" in English, or use a dictionary to look up the meaning of the word. Practice listening and speaking. Listen to native speakers as much as possible and try to imitate their pronunciation. In my previous videos of learning English, I have been keep on telling you have to speak English to learn English. So please find people who are good at English or beginners so you can speak with them and who are very encouraging. You can also watch YouTube videos in English and repeat what you hear. You can also practice speaking with a teacher, a friend, or a language partner and ask them to correct your mistakes. For example, you can watch an episode of Peppa Pig or have a conversation with someone on Hello Talk. Learn grammar and spelling. Grammar and spelling are the most important for writing and reading in English. You can learn grammar rules and patterns from books, websites, and apps. And the most important thing is to practice. Without practice, a man cannot be perfect. That is an old saying. You can also read simple texts such as stories, comics, or new articles, and write summaries or opinions about them. For example, you can use Duolingo to learn grammar and read teachings of English step by step to learn how to write sentences. Have fun and be confident. Learning English can be enjoyable and rewarding. If you have fun and be confident, you can play games, tell jokes, sing songs, or make friends in English. English is all about having fun. You can also set goals, tracks, and progress and reward yourself. For example, you can play hangman with your friends and give your friends a gift. For example, you can play hangman with your friends or give yourself a sticker for every new word you learn. These are some general steps that you can follow to learn English as a beginner. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. And most importantly is to have fun and be confident. Good luck and happy learning. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you.